In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets tables to Google Docs. Linking a table from Sheets into Docs is a great way to keep reports, proposals, or summaries always up to date, without copying and pasting data over and over. When it's set up correctly, any change you make in your spreadsheet can be pulled into your document with just a click. First, open the Google Sheets file that contains the data you want to use. Make sure your table is laid out clearly, with headers at the top, and your data organized in rows and columns. This will make it easier to work with once it's in Google Docs. Take a moment to double-check that the sheet you're on is the correct one, especially if your file has multiple tabs. Next, use your mouse to select the exact range of cells you want to bring into your document. You can click and drag to highlight them, or click the top left cell, hold Shift, and then click the bottom right cell of your table. It's a good idea to include your header row in this selection so your table is easy to understand in Docs. Once your range is selected, copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+C on Windows, or Command+C on a Mac. At this point, your table is stored on your clipboard and ready to be placed into your document. Now, switch over to your Google Docs file. Click in the document where you want the table to appear. This could be under a heading like Data Summary or Report Table. Make sure your cursor is on its own line so the table doesn't break up any existing text. Paste the table using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. A small dialog will appear asking how you want to insert it. Choose the option to link it to the spreadsheet. This is the key step that creates the connection between Docs and Sheets. Once it's linked, you'll see the table in your document, along with a small link icon at the top right of the table. Whenever you update the data in Google Sheets, go back to your document and look for an Update button near that icon. Click it, and the table will refresh with the latest values from your spreadsheet. That's all you need to link Google Sheets tables to Google Docs and keep your documents in sync with your data.